What's happening, guys? It's the month of February and it's my and Lola box day. So I noticed that they've put a sticker on it, right? But when I opened it up, it's already been cut open. So I don't know if they meant to put a sticker on it or if this has been opened. I'm rather worried. But let's get to it. So there seems to be quite a lot in the box. This is not helping. Right. So bursting out the box. So on top we have a and Lola 228 nail file, 228 and 280. And it's got, seems to have a bit of plastic running through the middle of it to keep it quite hard. Then we have a Skin Republic face mask, face sheet mask thing. Oh my god, do you see what's in there? Do you actually see what's in there? Wow. Yes. I guess we'll just take it out. Excuse you. We have an OPI Tokyo collection with 4 minis. They are Rice Baby, Another Ramen Tick Evening, Arigato from Tokyo, All Your Dreams and Vending Machines. So, there we go. We've got a full set pink for Valentine's Day. That one looks gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Right, let's put them down. What's this? We've got a big bottle of China Glaze orange cuticle oil. I wonder what that smells like if it is absolutely orange. Ooh. And last but not least, I can't believe how many products there are in here. We have Cuccio colour in the shade High Resolutions. And she's pink. She's pink. So there we go. A box bursting full of products today. Let's get you zoomed in and straight to nails. Before we get zoomed in, I just want to point out one thing that does annoy me about the minis on OPI. Is that they have, instead of having the name of what it is, it's just got like a code. So even though it tells you what 4 you've got in here, sometimes it's not the easiest to figure out what they are. So to start the day, we'll have a little look at the nail file. With it being... No, I just can't use it. Prefer glass nail files, so we'll keep that safe in its packaging and we'll send that off to a friend. Start off with, I'm going to use OPI Rice Baby from the Tokyo collection. So as you can see, it has went on slightly streaky, but that's only by one coat, that'll settle down. Oh, she's gonna need 3 coats. She's just too sheer. So I personally probably wouldn't buy a full bottle of that one. But this is what I love about the minis, is that it lets you try them out to see which one you like or not. One of the reasons that I love OPI is the solution just flattens as it dries. So moving on, we have OPI, Another Ramen Tick Evening. Like ramen, like the noodles. It's a bit more pigmented than I expected for a first go, but I still think it's going to need 3 coats. Yeah, I'm going to give it another coat. If you were a bit more careful with what you were doing, you might have been able to get 2 coats. I really like that. I think it's more like ballerina pink. It's cute. Next up is OPI Arigato from Tokyo. Really like that. You've gone more in, purpley shady pink there. I'm in love with that colour. Oh my god, she's gorgeous. So on to the last one in the OPI Tokyo collection. It's All Your Dreams and Vending Machines. Right, so this one's more a shimmer than a pigment. Well, 2 coats it is. It's absolutely gorgeous. The shimmer on it. I don't know if you can see too well right now. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it. Absolutely gorgeous. You could just wear that by itself. It's that gorgeous. So stepping away from the OPI, we now have the Cuccio colour in the shade High Resolutions. The formula is not bad. I think the problem's me trying to paint my thumbnail at this angle. So after having my slight panic over the cleanup, I noticed that that's done after 1 coat. That is so pigmented that you can't see the white band on my nail. There's no streaks, there's no nothing. I'm actually in love with that. So this week we also have the Skin Republic face mask sheet. I'm guessing that Manny and Lola probably got to deal with the Skin Republic because you keep getting the hands and the hand masks and things like that. Which I don't mind getting a hand mask, but I just feel like a face mask and a nail polish box is maybe not the right choice. Right, and last but not least, we will try the China Glaze Orange Cuticle Oil. Interested to see how much it smells like orange. Oh, it comes with a wee dropper as well. So let's smell. Oh. It's not actually as bad. I thought that like it was really, really pungent when I smelled it off the brush, but in the bottle it's not like it's reeking of it. So let's just get this all over our nails. It seems very oily. I mean, I like having an oil that dries itself in quite fast, you know. The Nail Medic Rejuvenator, I really like that because within no time it's dried itself in. Whereas here you're going to have to pad yourself down before you touch anything. I mean, even a pad isn't even picking it all up either. I actually have to go and wash my hands before I take a picture. So, my thoughts on this month's box. Product number 1, Cuccio High Resolutions. I'm absolutely astonished at that. I'm in love with that. That went on one coat, absolutely perfect. This really nice red with a tiny little bit of pink in it. And it was absolutely gorgeous. Product number 2, the Skin Republic Brighten and Hydrate Face Mask Sheet. It's a face mask. Yeah, I guess. Product number 3, the Manny and Lola White Polar Foamy Bridge Nail File. I'm guessing a lot of people will be quite happy with that. I know we had a 150 nail file in a box before, so this is a 220 by 280. As I've said before, I don't use them, I only use glass nail files. And product number 5, the OPI Tokyo 2019 mini set. Oh my goodness. Wow. 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 I never thought that we'd get like 4 OPI minis in a Man in Lola box. I think that's an amazing way to let people test out different colours of your nail polishes, and I'm absolutely in love with most of them. If I had to pick a favourite, which I guess it's going to be the All Your Dreams and Vending Machines. So much that we can do with this month's haul, and I am super, super happy with the OPI collection.